Well, friends, today's word is birds. It is spring, and I have been seeing so many birds outside my window. So I thought we'd do the word birds. B, b. The first letter in the word birds is b, 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 b. B, straight line down, one bump, two bump. The next letter in the word birds is an I, straight line down, little line on top, little line on bottom. The next letter in the word birds is a R, straight line down, bump on top, kick out. Next comes bird, D, straight line down and a bump going from the top to the bottom. Now, since there is more than one bird flying around in springtime, I'm going to say the word is birds. When there's more than one of something, you put a S at the end. Birds. More than one. Now let's look at the sounds these letters make. Now this first one is tough because in the Love Your Letters alphabet, birds, B says blue bicycle. Let's see if I can draw a blue bicycle. Has two wheels with lots of spokes in them. And then there's a part you sit on. And then there are the handlebars. That is going to be my blue bicycle. Next comes igloo. Here is the igloo. Now, I can also say its name, like in the word ice cream. Igloo, or ice cream. Should we draw an ice cream cone? Here's the cone. And here is the chocolate ice cream. Boop. Next comes rainbow. Red. Orange. Oops, that's green. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Am I going to have room for all the colors? And purple. Can't believe I did it today. Next comes dog. Here is my picture of a dog. It's got a head, it's got some floppy ears, some little feet, and a body and a tail. Wait, I think I need to make that a little bit better. Let's make the nose and the mouth in black and the eyes. Dog. And sun. Pretty yellow sunshine like it is today. Birds. Bicycle. Igloo or ice cream. Rainbow. Dog. And sun. Birds. And maybe we can draw some birds flying in the sky so we know what we're talking about. Birds. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.